How to filter all comments on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom you can see different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile that appear at the bottom and at the last. After clicking on the profile, this type of screen will appear here. At the right top corner there are the three lines. Click on it and click on the settings and the privacy. This type of screen will appear. We are going to know that how to filter all the comments on the TikTok. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the privacy here and you have to scroll this bar and you can see there is an option of the comments. Just click on it and here is the option of the filter all comments. Recent comments on your videos will be hidden unless you approve that. When you have to turn it on, then you will able to filter all the comments. The comments which you have to made will be filtered in your device. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.